Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial for Marvel Create Your Own. Today we are going to go over a couple of features on the program, and we're also going to talk about how to compose your page with two people talking and talk about scale. Scale is important. As you see, we start off with Thor here. He's rather large in the foreground, and Thanos is smaller in the background. So Thanos is standing farther away from the reader, and Thor is standing closer. And that system of scale gives you the proper perspective to see that they're standing quite a distance apart talking to each other. They are enemies after all. Now, we're going to click on Thor here and get access to his controls. His back is turned to the reader, so let's see if we can rotate him a little more down here. Okay. So there he's standing profile. It doesn't quite look like he's talking to Thor. Talking to Thanos. So let's move him back this way. What if we made him larger? And then moved him down a little bit. Now it looks like he's standing even further away from Thanos. And there's a little cross going there so you can see even more the distance. So let's go back to page, and move on to Thanos. Let's go ahead and let's see what happens when we make him a little smaller. Now I think that is quite a distance away, but we're going to see if we can make this work. We'll rotate him so he's facing Thor, and we will go back to page and go to backgrounds. As you see now, I have a very, very basic colored background. But if we switch the background to another environment, perhaps the mood will change. And indeed, the mood did change. Here we have Thor and Thanos talking on the moon with Earth in the background. These are two heavy hitters talking about serious things. So that's what we wanted to talk about today. We wanted to talk about scale. We have Thor in the foreground, Thanos in the background. It's a splash page. They're speaking to each other. And we chose the background to be the moon floating in space with Earth in the background. So that's a great setting in which these two gods can have a conversation. So that's it for this tutorial. Have a wonderful evening, day, wherever you are. Please like the video and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Have a great one.